everybody. It's Friday afternoon, and where are we going?
Well, I found on the internet a lonely Vanagon in need of some loving.
80 Vanagon Westie.
Yeah, and air cooled.
Yeah. So what else? What else are we gonna do on a Friday night, boys? Oh. Martin's freezing.
Freezing.
Tacos. Jake wants tacos. So join us. We're gonna go see if we can rescue this 80 Vanagon Westie. See what happens, and stick with us today. It's gonna be a good day. So this is a fun one because you found this online.
Yeah, I found it online, and the guy needs to move.
Yeah, and then you kind of handed me off the lead. I have salesmanship, Matt Jackson. It's this people skill thing. I read a book on it, like by Jordan Belfort, Way of the Wolf. It's a good book. It's not a good book. He's really cocky, but he made a lot of money. But anyway,
I'll put a link to that book right here. We don't know anything about it. I think there's one photo of it.
Yeah, he did send me some more photos. I can show you them.
Oh,
yeah.
How does it look?
It looks pretty good. Insert montage here. So you got it's the blue Vanagon. It's air cooled. Westie top's been replaced, so that's nice.
Oh, really?
I just need some love on the
and I will say that it looks like it's a hand paint job, very custom. It's not original.
Maybe it looks like it might have been painted right. At least in the photos I saw.
Oh, okay.
I could be wrong, and so we could be doing the music, or we could go on dun dun ta. The Vanagon Westies, the air cooleds are 80 to 83 and a half, and it's just so funny. I think we've ran into maybe 5 or 6 of these over the years, but I've never had a water cooled one. I was thinking about that today. It's always air cooled, which is actually I'm happy with that because I don't want to be dealing with all that head gasket stuff and water pumps and all that stuff. I don't want to kill any cats with coolant. So, it's still a Westie, pop top, full on camper, fridge, stove, sink, everything like that works. These are awesome camping machines. Martin camped in my old one a couple times. He loved it. We're going to see what this thing is. It's hopefully it's in good shape, and I'm excited. It's always good to rescue another Volkswagen. Westie on the right.
In here? Oh, right there.
Right there. Shit.
I see bubbles. Park it right there. Oh, look, here's the. Yeah, that's the original. You see something? It's just a wood rod.
Hi, Tommy.
Yeah, it's just a wood rod. Can you pull it up? Oh.
Hey, Barry.
Hey, look at the whole crew here.
Hey, it's like your house.
Look, see, this is original early.
This is what he was
early,
all excited. I was telling him, I said, there's going to be a bunch of us here.
Yeah.
I told him there's 4.5 of us. So.
The appliances are all original. The propane gas, propane refrigerator.
That's nice. Oh, so you did move it. Hey, look familiar.
Hey, fuel injection.
Nice.
With a compressor.
So it's pretty much the same as a late bay.
Yeah. This is an 8 of 79. So this is a very early Vanagon. I mean, in like one of the first Vanagons. So.
The icebox is still cold?
Yeah, it works.
Yeah, it's totally. Look at how cold that thing is in there. Look how cold it is.
It's
got to be at least 32 degrees.
Yeah.
He needs it gone.
The one thing that I did talk to him about is that we do this often, and we are completely aware of the cost involved to get this to where it needs to be.
20 minutes later.
All right, Gary, we got it. What are we doing? We don't know, but we bought a Vanagon.
Matt Jackson, we just bought a Vanagon.
We just bought a Vanagon. So.
You know what? We got a little bit of a problem.
We got a problem.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we were the A team, and you have an old Volkswagen, and
it needs rescuing.
Call us. We're the A team. Dun 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 dun.
Are you Hannibal or are you Mr. T?
I want to be Hannibal, Mr. T. I pity the fool.
All right, so we're gonna get this loaded. This video is sponsored by Warren Winches. We called up Warren Winches and they said they wanted to help out. And so they sent us their 2000.
So this is the debut of the 2000.
Yes, this is the debut of the 2000. When we had all those problems with our bay window rescue, we called up Warren Winches and they said they'd be willing to help out.
We gotta go back more, don't we? Or we'll clear it. Mush!
Keep coming.
Brakes work at all? Oh yeah.
Yes.
Let's try to get it right to start.
There, stop.
That's good. Stop. Oh, that's got good brakes. Because we're good to go off the tow hook. Hey, you think the tow hook's strong enough?
Yeah, let's do that.
Pops. To the frame?
Yeah.
Tow hook goes straight to the frame.
Yeah, let's do that.
Cold and hungry.
Oh, Martin needs tacos. Okay, we got it. Now it's time to go eat.
Yes.
It's time to accomplish supper tonight.
do
We have a 1980 Vanagon, the 11,000th one ever made. Early Vanagon. Yeah, it's got that really weird shift thing. We'll talk about that later. But hey, it's got good tires.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I drive a motherfucking Vanagon. I know that you're jealous, but
All right, well, the Vanagon is back there.
This is the way it is.
And we're going to accomplish lunch at Papa Bob's.
I drive a motherfucking Vanagon. It's the dopest ride on the planet, man. It's got a queen size futon built right in. An alpine tape deck spinning the shit. It's got an eagle feather hanging from the rearview mirror. A mini fridge full of pepperoni and lucky beer. A box of granola and a block of cheese. A Mickey a ride and a quarter of weed.
Brake it to the deck.
All right, you got good brakes.
You're good.
Close
Let it
the
go.
door, Jake. Just in case that's... All right, you're good. Okay.
Let it go.
You're good over here.
Let it go, Jake. You'll get some movement on it.
There you go. Good job.
So we got the fastback moved over to the right so that we can put the Vanagon right here in this spot.
Oh, you got some speed.
Watch out! Don't hit the.
Oh! Oh! Alright, fine. Just crush the license plate. It didn't hit the nose, did it? Did it?
No.
It crushed the license plate.
License plate.
Okay.
He's all uncomfortable.
So I found this on the internet, so you can put all the blame on me.
Well, you know what? What else do you do on a Friday night? Go home, watch some Gunsmoke.
Drink Dr. Pepper, eat some popcorn.
I could be warm. Stay warm. Live in
You're
the...
not warm right here?
all cozy in the Westie. So we have a early Vanagon Westie, boys. Congratulations.
Thanks, Matt Jackson. Thanks.
I'm sorry.
No,
Tommy's
listen, you
probably
know
all
what?
warm.
Actually, who to blame is this one.
Yeah, he kind of...
He pulled the trigger and was like, "Oh, we're not spending over this much," and Jake's like, "Ugh."
Yeah.
He just
So,
blurted out a big
all right,
number.
Yeah.
To be fair, in the past we have not gotten deals because $300 separated us.
That's
and we were
true.
like, you know,
We should have... That's
we
right.
should have done it. And so this time we were $300 away, and I was like,
Yeah, it's only $300. So.
Good job, Jake, closing the deal.
The deal closer
It's what
living
they call
up to
me.
his... yeah.
it's what they call me.
That's
Yes.
it. The deal closer came through on this one. No, you know what? This thing is, it's very
And
complete.
Tommy. Couldn't done with Tommy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very complete. It needs a little bit of love.
Don't they all?
Don't we all?
Some more than others.
Yes. This one's slightly more.
Whole lot of loving.
But I mean, it's a very early air-cooled Vanagon and Westie, true Westie. And, you know, I mean, look, I might live in this.
This you could do the van life.
You can fit
I
4
live
people
van
and you're
life in
comfortable.
this. I mean, look, it's got a fridge, stove, sink.
but you could live the van life.
You could live the van life in
If
this.
you don't, I think we're gonna find somebody that will.
I hope so, because this is going to go to a loving new home eventually. That's the plan.
Yes.
We're not keeping this one. Unless Martin. Martin's kind of...
No,
You see a little twinkle in the
No.
Bearded Wonder's eye.
Not for
That's
an
when I
air-cooled
sat on
Vanagon.
One of the next weekends coming up, we're gonna dig into it, see if we can get it running.
Shirt.
The tires are
Awesome
good.
shirt.
We just want to make it sure it's running and driving safely before we.
Yeah, we'll go through, make sure the brakes are good, shift's good, clutch is good, steering's all safe and everything. It looks, I mean, it's got new tires. The brakes, seems like it's got good brakes. We've got to drain the fuel tank, change the crossover pipe. That's a standard operating
Shifter
procedure on it. So
Yeah, so stick around. We've got a Westie, and it'll be on the channel coming up.
thank you all for joining us tonight. It's
I want to go. It's cold.
Martin's freezing. It's been a great night. We accomplished supper. We accomplished getting a Westie. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VWLIFE. I would say go out and buy a Westie. They're not hanging on they're not like hanging on every street corner. Stick with us as you see the blue Westie transform into a little roadstoration action.
That's right. Later.
Full master destroying with grace like a T-bone steak on a solid gold plate, yeah. You can drive it, you should try it.